Imagine diving into the world of databases without understanding the tools that shape and manipulate data. How would one navigate the complex web of tables, queries, and relationships? It's akin to trying to assemble a puzzle without knowing what the picture should look like. In the realm of database management systems, two critical types of languages play pivotal roles: data definition language, or DDL, and data manipulation language, or DML. Understanding these can significantly clear up the fog around database operations. First up, let's talk about DDL. Data definition. Language deals with the skeleton of the database. It defines the structure. Using DDL, you can create, alter, and delete databases and their structures. For instance, when you create a new table, define its columns, or set up relationships between tables, you are using DDL. It's the architect of the database world laying down the blueprints upon which everything else is built. On the flip side, we have DML, data manipulation language. If DDL sets up the stage, DML brings it to life. It is used to retrieve, insert, delete, and update data in the databases. Think of it as the director of a play, instructing the actors what to do within the framework created by the architect. Without DML, a database would be like a beautifully designed but uninhabited building. The distinction between these two can be seen in their impact on the database. Operations using DDL can change the structure of the database schema. If you decide to drop a table using DDL, that table is gone permanently, which can affect the entire database system. On the contrary, operations using DML only affect the data within the tables, not the structure itself. Deleting data from a table, for instance, doesn't eliminate the table. It just empties out its contents. Understanding when to use DDL versus DML is crucial. Using DDL requires a careful approach, as changes to the database structure can be irreversible and impactful. Meanwhile, DML is used more frequently day to day as users interact with the data, entering new records, updating information, or retrieving data for reports and insights. To wrap up, DDL and DML serve distinct but complementary roles in database management. DDL creates and modifies the database's structure. Think of it as setting the stage. DML, meanwhile, manipulates the data within this structure. It's what brings the stage to life. Both are indispensable in the world of databases, and mastering them can make one adept at navigating and manipulating the complex structures and vast data within modern database systems. So next time you interact with a database, remember you might be playing the roles of both architect and director, using DDL and DML to craft and control your data environment.